name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Prasarita padottanasana. This asana stretches your hamstrings and also improves blood circulation to your brain. It also stretches your spine. To practice from standing sthiti, separate your legs as wide as possible. Inhale and raise your arms up to shoulder level. Exhale and bend down. Touch your hands to the floor and try to touch your head to the floor. Maintain with normal breathing. Inhale and come up. Exhale and release your hands and legs and relax. If you found this video useful, like, comment and share. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.